Hello and welcome from the Charleston Fire Department Training Division. This is an online tutorial how to log your daily training. This will be for company level activities inside the Firehouse. First, we start off by opening up Firehouse. Name and password required. Give it a few seconds to open up and load all the information. Same as you would be if you're logging a NIFRS report. Head over to Journal. You can see that all these little books each day is where some company or one of the members of the fire department have logged their training. So if you want to log your training for today, today's February 23rd, you go up to the training icon, click it. And this is where you will start your training record. If you want to log a previous date, you can change the date here, but we're going to enter today's class for the 23rd. So first and foremost, you got to choose the category of your training that you completed today. It's divided between these categories. Each of these categories has subcategories underneath it. You'll need to choose and assign the appropriate training. We're required to have 192 hours of fire, 12 hours for every driver, and 12 hours for every officer per year. So it's pretty important that you choose which area that we're going to be assigning the training today. So let's say today we were training our rookies. So we'll go to fire suppression, click on the plus. This opens up a drop-down menu here. And you'll have to search through these subcategories until you find the appropriate one. So today we did job task training with probational job-related skills training. Go ahead and click OK. And this will auto-populate all the fields down through here. So we'll say our start time today was 0900. Next screen over, you'll hit, once again, the end date, which was today, February 23rd. End time, you can make this however long or short that you want. Let's say today we spent 1 hour doing it. So we'll enter 10 o'clock. This will automatically assign your work hours down here. So you'll need to change your station values here. We'll say that today's station was station 1. Today's shift is B shift. And the unit was engine 451. So you'll scroll down through here till you find engine 451. There we go. Hit OK. We're going to assign the training type to fire. And then we're also going to assign the location. There's quite a few locations in here, so if you're not at the station, you should be able to find where you completed your training at. If you're at the station, you need to scroll to the bottom, click on the CFD stations with the plus, and choose the appropriate station. Today, they was completed at station 1. And OK. Agency will be in-house, right here, in-house. Hit OK. We do not have a course number, so everything's filled out here. It was station 1, B shift, engine 451, probationary job skills training, and now we're ready to assign the people. So if you have, we'll shoot another video and show you how to assign your crew into a group, but until then, we'll put that just to add. So I hit add, select staff from group, and you can select using your queue here, and choose the members that participated in the training. Today's 451B shift will be Captain Virag. So we'll find Virag in here, right there. And then if you hold down Control, you can choose more than one person. So let's say Chief Warner was participating today and Chief Wagner. So highlight them in blue with the holding down the Control button, hit OK. You'll see all 3 names pop up right here. You want to go down to this far left tab, select all, and hit OK. Once again, you'll hit OK one more time. You'll make sure everything's filled out properly here. So here's our job task training, probationary, correct. It was station 1, B shift, engine 451, correct. The objective was always met, and the hours were 1 hour. We've selected fire here, so we're good. And we're going to go ahead and hit OK. This is a kind of weird screen that we're working on here. We're going to figure out how to fix this, but we do not want to change people's locations in Firehouse. All right, so you can see we've populated with our training report here. Captain Virag, Chief Wagner, Chief Warner. So one final thing you need to do is click this other tab that's in red. Hit User Fields. Now, this is pretty important for us to track our ISO training to hit our minimum amount of training each year. So was it a night drill? No, it was in the morning. Was it a multi-company drill? You can use multi-company drills if you've got, at Station 1 would be an example of Truck 1 or 31 participated in the training. So we'll say that this was just Engine 1 today. So it was was it a single company drill? Correct. We don't do auto aid training. It was not driver training. It was not new driver training. It was not officer training, but it was company training. Hit save and close. You're now complete. If you want to review it, hit the Basics tab. This is how we'd like each person to enter training each day so we can capture these hours that you guys are already doing. We just need to make sure that we're capturing these hours. At the end of it, you want to go ahead and hit save. And there you go. If you'd like to review your report after you hit close, you can click on this bookmark right here. And you can review what you just entered to make sure everything is correct. Congratulations, Captain Wagner, Chief Wagner, Captain Virag, and Chief Warner. They completed their job skills training today at Station 1. Until we get the bugs worked out of this program, there'll be another roster that you need to fill out for each activity that we send out on these classes. Like, for example, this class we're showing you here, and we'll shoot another video here at a future date to show you how to do it. We will be double logging rosters until we get the bugs worked out of the system. Thank you guys for listening in. Stay safe.